Day in the life. Non-CDL box truck owner. Take one. Let me get these golf clubs out of here. I need to move them creased ones up out of here too. Getting ready to hit the road, man. Put these in the garage. Hopefully y'all didn't see the code. You go right there. We're out. Got all our travel stuff. Bags, toiletry, iPad. Back in business, baby. Gonna go grab some coffee. Get on the road, dog. Say what up, man.
What's going on, y'all, man?
Gonna see this motherfucker a lot in these videos. But we out. I'll be back when we go get coffee. You know what you want?
No.
Thank you so much for choosing Dunkin'. How can I help you?
Can I do a large pink spritz refresher?
Yeah, a large pink spritz. What else can we get you?
And then can I do an iced strawberry lemon loaf?
Sure.
What do you want?
And is there anything else we can get you?
And then can I do the cookie dough frozen coffee?
What size?
Large.
Alrighty, anything else for you?
I think that's it.
Alrighty, it'll be $14.77 at the window.
Thank you.
Do you have a lemon loaf, a frozen coffee, and a refresher?
Yes. Thank you.
I'll grab the lemon.
I got mine. Ooh-wee. That's splat. That's fire. You ever had these? You never had this?
These are fire, bro.
We pulling up to the truck now, baby. Yeah, I'm just gonna have you follow me back to the crib. We'll put all our stuff in there. And then I'll just have you follow me. We'll drop this off. And then we'll head to Louisiana, man. There's another box over here too. Penske Rental. Oh yeah, they must be moving. What are you doing? Digging in his booty. Actually, I'll park on this side. There she be. Got our Starbucks, lemon loaf. Put all this stuff in the truck. Then we'll do our pre-trip. Alrighty. We already got loaded. We got loaded Friday, and this doesn't deliver until Tuesday. It's a full truckload. Well, they claim to be a full truckload. I had to dedicate it. But you'll see. I'm a work smarter, not harder type of guy, so my knees are cooked. I definitely ain't climbing in these trucks. So we'll take the lift gate up. This is the load, plus this little box. Always keep your trucks clean, man. Never want to pull up to a dirty truck, a shipper or receiver with a dirty truck. But this is it. 4 boxes of electrical components, and then that tote and that little guy. Pay $17.50 going from Des Moines, Iowa to Bout, Louisiana, I believe is how you pronounce it. So like $1.75 a mile. Pretty good load. But yeah, that's it. Just some electrical components, cabinet, whatever this is. Super light load, less than 1,500 pounds. Probably around 1,000. A few blankets, a few E-track ratchet straps, a couple load bars, pallet jack. That's all you really need. We got cameras all around here too. There's one up in that corner, freight camera. And then I got 3 more that I could show you, but that's the load. We'll do our pre-trip inspection here in a second. All right, we're gonna start our pre-trip. Go around. By the way, this is what real truckers wear. This outfit here is what real truckers wear. And they got botched manicures, so don't let anybody tell you different. But we'll go around, pop the hood, kick the tires, punch the tires. My mallet's in my other truck, so my fist will have to work. Good to go. We'll check the cab ID lights, regular lights. I got my flashes on. No cab ID lights out. Both rear brake lights, running lights are working, as you can see. High beams are working, hazards are working, or regular beams, low beams, both sides. Coolant reservoir is good. I'll check the oil and transmission fluid here in just a second once I grab a rag. That's pretty much it. There's no major leaks or anything like that I can see. Yeah, everything looks good. Like I said, I'll check the oil and the transmission fluid here in a second. But you just want to do your due diligence before you take off. Definitely don't want to pay a mobile mechanic $1,000, $2,000, whatever it might be, to come pick you up off the side of the road. If you can prevent it beforehand. So bags look good, tires look good, everything looks good. Oh, these are those cameras I was talking to you about. There's one here, and then one on the other side in the same exact spot right here, and then there's one more for backing into the docks up there, and I'll show you that more in depth too. But for now, we're gonna head out, start heading to Louisiana. Alrighty, we are about to the crib. Gonna pick my nephew up. He drove my personal truck back. Yeah, we're going to pick him up, and then we're headed to Louisiana. It looks like we have about 930 miles, give or take. Fresh hours, as you can see. Probably probably do, I don't know, we'll probably get through the full 11 today. Make it an easy drive tomorrow. Like I said, today's Sunday. We don't have to drop off until Tuesday. So we picked up Friday, and now we're chilling. Definitely not pulling in to this lot. Just throw my hazards on. Have a walk over here. But yeah, we are. Oh, these are the cameras I was pointing out to you guys earlier. You got your left side, right side in blind spots. Freight camera. This one has to be adjusted down a little bit, and then this is for just backing into the docks. Help you back up a little bit easier. It's not too hard in a straight truck. But yeah, another thing is don't come for me on the pre-trip inspection, man. I know 90% of you guys, I see it. 90% of you guys don't even get out of your truck after you wake up in the morning. You just start it and go. So I'm doing more than most. Ready to hit the road, man?
Sir.
A little bit of a tight squeeze, but
It's alright.
we've been in worse. Alright, we're headed to Louisiana, baby. Land of the crawfish. Big crawfish. Alright, issue number 1. AC went out. Blowing nothing but hot air. This has been a reoccurring issue. Had it pressure tested for leaks, recharged twice. I changed the sensor on it. It still isn't right. It's been parked up all week. I should have put it back in the shop, but we got 900 miles left, and we're going to the south. About to be a hot one, boy. I'll roll these windows down for like, how many hours we got? 13 hours, no AC. Not good. Straight hot air. But we'll thug it out. First stop of the trip, 280 miles in. Just fill up 66, grab some diesel.
Turn right.
Boy, creaking. Grab some diesel, take my 30-minute, go on duty, brake, save, grab my wallet, shut the truck off. Good on def, just need the diesel. Shout out Mudflap as well. Obviously not a sponsored video, it being my first video, but these guys are awesome. First fill up of the trip. Bad boy in there, fill that up. Come on. Alright, that guy came out, grabbed my card. Some places with mud flap, you have to prepay or just leave it open. They'll come out, grab your card, you just go in and leave your card with them, and then go in and obviously get your card back once you're done fueling. But first fuel of the trip, I always like to go around, again, kick the tires and stuff if you want. Obviously, you know if you got a blowout since you're just driving, but it's never a bad idea just to look over your your truck. So check your oil, check your transmission fluid again if you want, but just go around and keep an eye out for anything that doesn't look normal. Check your fluids and stuff. Shouldn't be too bad. I think we still have like a quarter tank left, so shouldn't be too bad at all. And yes, I wear gloves. I don't care. Eat me up in the comments for it. Maybe. Looks good, a little low, but we're getting to the end of the life cycle, so that is expected. Transmission. Also looks a little low, but the truck was just shut off a minute ago, less than a minute ago, so recheck before we leave, but not the biggest deal in the world. When I checked it this morning, it was perfectly fine, so probably just because the truck's been running and it's only been off for about a minute. Everything else looks good. Let's finish up fueling, grab some food, finish the rest of this 30-minute break, hop back on the road. Feels good in here. Oh.
I'm gonna charge you on this one right here. You enjoying this weather?
My AC went out, so not really, but other than that, it's not too bad.
Good. And would you like a bigger seat or a little?
I don't need a receipt at all.
You all set, man?
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. See what they got cooking over here. Is that chicken?
Yeah. What is this? Jambalaya, red beans and rice.
Mac and cheese. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some of this. Alright, we back rolling, baby. Gonna leave the fuel aisle slow, some of them hours don't start back up. This AC, it's hot, boy. Low and slow. Watch out for the minivans. Park up, finish the rest of this 30-minute break. We got So we're 10 minutes left. Need some food. I'm back on the road. Full tank of fuel, full tank of death. Back in there. See y'all when we stop next. Be peeling out, man. What was them toilets looking like in there? You ain't even sit down on it?
Hell nah, I was
Stomach finna be bubbling, boy. Chicken gonna get you. Alright, we back on the road, man. Catch y'all at the next stop. Throw y'all a little bit of B-roll, maybe.
Then take the second right.
Scenery ain't the best. We're just going through Missouri. We'll be in Memphis. I don't know how long. Not too far away, I don't think. But catch y'all when we catch y'all. All right. Got that neutral. Gotta go off duty to go do the duty. I gotta take a doodles.
Which?
I ain't trying to go on the side of the road again. I know that. Alright, we out. See how clean these ones are.
That shit up trash can up there, right?
Yeah, for sure. I gotta take a doodums. I ain't got no do wipes. You got do wipe?
Oh man.
Woo, we in trouble, man.
Have some in here.
Hopefully these bathrooms are clean. I feel like they usually are at rest areas. We're gonna let you know for sure though. It's the moment of truth. I think we in business. I don't know. This ain't bad. Do the do. Overall, I'll get that bathroom about a 8 out of 10.
That's all I was playing.
I will use it again. No more gas station chicken, bruh.
Pizza, yeah.
Huh?
Pizza, yeah.
Gas station pizza? Yeah, I rock some gas station pizza for sure. For sure, for sure. Probably drive another, I don't know, 2 hours. Call it a night. Edit this video, get up. Have like 4 or 5 hours left tomorrow. We catch y'all when we get to the hotel. All parked up for the night. The Red Roof Inn. What we do for drive time today? $13-hour day, 14 minutes left on the drive time, 58 hours left in the cycle. Gonna check in. But I'm going to sleep. For real. I need to hurry up, cuz. He said I gotta take a doodums.
Dude probably lives upstairs.
Probably.
In that room right there.
Alright, I'll get back with y'all when we get in our room. Call it a night. truth. All right. That ain't too bad. Not too bad. All right. Checked in. Just got to bring our stuff in. And that's all in a day's work, folks. Alrighty, we are all settled in, ready to hang it up for the night. Before we do so, we're going to read a Bible verse. Reading through Philippians 1. And this is one that just stuck out to me because Mondays are usually hectic. And today is Monday, currently 1:50 a.m. May God our Father and the Lord Jesus Christ give you grace and peace. He definitely knows I'm going to need that tomorrow. So just remember, I'm nothing without Jesus. We are nothing without Jesus. So get into the Word. And that will wrap up the first video.
Promise you you'll catch me.